on your right side, you can see a wall, very old one. Can you see this?
Yes.
Okay, so this is called Nahr al-Zubaydah. There was a king once upon a time called Harun al-Rashid, and his wife's name was Zubaydah. And when they came to perform Hajj, they actually used to rule this country as well at that time. And when they came to Hajj, they saw how people suffered for water. There was no sufficient drinking water available at that time. So then she made this big, like a river or something, in a human-made one, to transfer water from all the way somewhere outside Mecca or somewhere, to transfer the water from there to pilgrims in Mina and Arafah and Muzdalifah. So a portion from that Nahr, or from that walls, from that line of pipe of water is still available, remain here, which is here in this one, called Nahr al-Zubaydah. I'm sure many of you heard about her.
Yes.
About the King Harun al-Rashid. Is one of the Khalifa, Islamic Khalifa, was there to rule this land once upon a time.